We got this new Wagner steamer and we put our distilled water in there and we were letting it warm up for about 10 minutes. And I came in here and this thing was leaking water out here. It leaked it on the chair and it leaked it all over the floor. And as what happens here is there's a switch down here that locks it. So when you get it, it's locked like this. And so it's just squirting out. So you want to make sure you unlock it like that so that it's not running any water all over the place. Otherwise you'll make a big mess like we did. So the Wagner steamer comes with a couple different nozzles you can put on there. And so we got the handle here. So we got the handle here and we put this little scrubber nozzle on there. We're going to go ahead and try and clean it. We're here in the kitchen, in the pantry, and it got a little greasy there. So we're going to go ahead and try and clean that up with the steamer. See how it does. Oh wow, that looks really good. That looks nice. Got a little bit under the door here too. Yeah, the hot steam with that little scrub brush really seems to help. There's a little bit of a grain in the door.
That's a dick.
Where the kind of grease gets stuck in there. But it did really good over here on the molding. Just not quite as good down here. This might take a little more scrubbing.
Not really.
So it did a little bit better compared to how it looks up here. You can see that powder in there. It still left a little bit of a smudge here, but nothing like it was. So,
Touch up the paint.
but you can actually see right here, there's a white streak here where we cleaned it, and then this is kind of gray here where we haven't cleaned it yet. But yeah, so we'll clean it up best we can with this steamer, and then we can always do a little touch-up paint if we can't get it quite clean enough. All right, there's a little Wagner steamer. This got a little cubby there with all the different fittings in there, so that's pretty cool. It does get hot too, so you can also use the rag to hold the handle. But yeah, this does feel pretty hot to the touch there. Might need to take a break and let it cool down for a minute.